What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day today, and what we're doing is we're gonna go take a drive to Acadien. I got the GoPro. So before I leave, I want to show you what I'm bringing, what I got, like gear. So I got this battery charger. I'm charging it right now. It's almost full, but it's always good to have. I got my case where I bring all my cameras, my stuff. Today I only got the GoPro and my iPhone 12 Pro, whatever, Max or something. And we're gonna go take a drive and test the GoPro out, test everything out. I know there's a scratch on the GoPro right here, but yeah, we found this one on the streets, but it's let's test it out. All right, let's do this. So this is where we're starting, right here. I'm gonna put the GPS on and we're gonna go for a little drive. Hope you enjoy the trip and hope the GoPro works well. Opened it, I put it in the little thing I put, and I press record, and the little red thing is on. Let's do this.
Guys, yo, shit, son. Go.
right there, guys. Oh. Look at those waves, bro. That was pretty funny, eh? This is filmed with my phone. Obviously the quality's a lot better. So guys, should I go there? Probably not, eh? Alright, let's go. Wow. Look at this rock. It's just so much fun at the beach when you're alone and you're just having a good time. Uh-oh. Oh! Let's see this. Give me a big wave. Oh, boom. Boom. This is the best day of my life. Whoa, good thing I moved. Full 360 of where I'm at right now. Over there is a lighthouse. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, we're gonna go for a little walk on the beach. Look at this sun. Okay guys, so I'm about to turn the corner right here and let's see what it's gonna be, because I mean, oh, there's the lighthouse. There's the lighthouse, you can see right over there. Boom. Oh, I just walked in water trying to film myself. This is our destination. Let's get right there with that bird right there. But right now I can't really walk there. Look at my shadow. I'm on this rock. Like look, I'm stuck. So either I run really fast here to get over there, or I fly, or I walk over these. I pick running. Okay, after this one, let's go. Holy holy, I made it. Let's just go through the rocks. Let's go. It's a little wall so you can jump on. Woo! Thank God for this wall. Alright guys, with all these shenanigans, I almost ran out of storage. I had to make some space. So look at that bird's leaving. You're gonna chill, buddy. Buddy, come back! Whatever, let's go. And now I find the cliffs. Guys, I'm escalating. Oh my God. Guys, I'm on the side of a big cliff right now. If I fall, you need to throw a rock. Stairway right there. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. So, alright, now for the end of the video, we're gonna go see the lighthouse, and also over there is the wharf or whatever. We're gonna drive there with a GoPro. I'm turning around. Guys, I'm on the side of a big cliff right now. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I'm literally in the ocean. Keep walking in water. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Hey, buddy. Back to the car. Okay, so I was charging the GoPro while I was gone because basically the battery in the GoPro does not work, but everything else works except the screen is scratched. So it was built in 1865. Did you know that most people that used to work in lighthouse used to go insane? Fuel. Yeah, much love.